Alright, y'all. So, right now, do me a huge favor. Subscribe down below before we start this entire video. And I'd appreciate it because we're at 652 and I feel like we should be at a lot more than that. It's good content. I'm not trying to brag. It's good content. I work really hard at it, and we should be higher on the subscribers. Yeah. But anyway, go down and subscribe right now. Let's get to it. Okay, so I'm gonna do something a little different today. I noticed, so I went through a time when I was doing this where I was having a lot of, like a huge difficult time with wind and wind noise while I was out filming. Happens with cameras, happens with GoPros. If you're going to be outdoors, it happens with phones. But I've noticed that a lot of people suffer from this problem, so I thought I'd help y'all out. This right here, this simple foam, it's basically a windsock, but this simple foam piece right here, you can order this online. I'll show you that right now. So yeah, you just click here. You can find them on Amazon. They're not, I mean the price is phenomenal and the shipping's great. So, alright, so you have your housing like this, right? I do it with just the housing first. You can do it with the GoPro in the housing if you want, but you'll have a large section. So find the larger section. On the front, that's where your window goes. You can see that or not. The side, that's your functions button, so you can flip through and do video, photo. And then you have on your GoPro housing button there. So what you want to do is you want to take the section where the buttons needs to be on the side there, and give me 1 second and I'll show you. So right here, that button, that's where your housing connects to the side function button right here. So you're going to take that button, put it in here right like this, and what I do is sort of like shimmy it a little bit and get, what you want to do first is get your mounting holes right here down through the bottom of the housing, and then you can bring it right up around like this. Right, so that is with the housing inside of it. To get the GoPro in, what I do, you'll see right here I have them, you're gonna tear this a little bit, not a big deal, it still works fine. The sound gets through just fine, but what it does is it keeps the wind from passing over that built-in microphone. I use the Hero 5 Blacks. That's my preferred one, but this works with all the GoPros. So what I do, you'll notice, like I said, it's torn right here in these corners. I fold that forward just like that, and then it allows you to open up the housing. So before we do that, I'm going to go ahead and mount it on here. So mount it the way that you normally would mount it. Obviously, we're not going to tighten it up all the way. All right, so we have that folded down. We're going to go ahead and open the housing. Again, this foam is going to stretch a little bit. So then we open it like that. Throw our GoPro in there. Now what I do is, obviously down on these corners right here, fold those back a little bit, pop it up, get it flush, GoPro's in, then take it and pull it around the GoPro. It should cover the whole back right here. You still have access up here to your on-off button, or to your record button. Right here, your functions button, you still have access. So, yeah. And then make sure, then you can tighten this back up. Make sure that this fits perfectly right around this. So make sure that that's good. That's it. Good to go. But I've been using those, and I mean, it is, like I said, it's phenomenal. It cuts down the wind so much. It's crazy. But anyway, I thought I'd share that with you. I appreciate y'all watching the video. Make sure that you hit the like button down below. Make sure that you comment. I like reading the comments. If this helped you out, tell me that it helped you out. Make sure that you share the video out to all your friends that might be suffering from this problem, and make sure that you subscribe. I will catch you all next time. Take care.